Hi everybody, I'm Nick from GFD Homes and today we're going to be looking at one of our most popular doors, the doors from Door Stop International. These doors would get classed as your regular composite door. What that means is they're a GRP outer skin, glass reinforced plastic, and then a high density foam core. This means they're extremely good for thermal efficiency because it's effectively a big bit of insulation as your door, and then that means they're extremely competitively priced, almost the same price as your regular UPVC door, but obviously provide far better advantages. These doors are 44mm thick, so that's obviously vastly thicker than your regular 28mm UPVC door, so that really gives you the confidence when you close the door. Plus the pricing is extremely competitive, almost the same price as your regular UPVC door, but these doors come with a far more obviously advantages over your regular UPVC door. There is 19 different colours for the doors and an additional 9 colours available for the frame. This door is in the agate grey with the black brown frame. As you get in your quote for the doors, myself and the rest of the sales team have samples of all these colours that we can send you out in the post so you can get the exact colour door that you're looking for. One of the big things with doors at the moment is the threshold, so the bit that you step over when you come in and out of the property, getting them as low as possible. And what that means is aluminium thresholds. A nice touch from Door Stop is they colour match the aluminium thresholds to the colour of the frame. Most manufacturers are either silver or gold, so a really nice touch from Door Stop there. We use the Ultion cylinders. So Ultion are some of the best in the business at the moment when it comes to lock cylinders. They're anti-bump, anti-drill, anti-snap, effectively anti-everything. Next there is 2 ranges of your standard lever handles like we have here. This one's the standard one, and then we have the Suite range. The Suite range has a 20-year corrosion guarantee, so extremely good if you're next to the sea or anywhere that's a bit of a coastal area. And then finally we have a range of contemporary hardware, so you know, like your long bar handles and your finger pulls, obviously if that's the design you're going for, and obviously this can all be selected through our door designer on our website. Also, if you're going to be installing this into a new build property where you need secure by design, we can spec these doors so they've got the right hardware and right specifications for the whole door, so you meet that accreditation as well. Let's move on to the glazing available in these doors. Door Stop offer a wide range of glass, which across the range of doors is all toughened double glazing. They obviously offer your normal clear glass, textured glass like you'd find in a bathroom window, and your satin glass, but they also offer a wide range of designer glass with lead work and other bits and pieces and clear borders like you can see on this door. Myself and the rest of the sales team are on hand to send over detailed photographs of each of these glazing options so you can make the correct choice. With everything we've discussed, I'm sure that you're going to be wanting to get a quote for your own Door Stop door. This is really straightforward. On our website, you can design the exact door that you want and get an instant price. And then myself and the rest of the sales team are on hand on the telephone via email to answer any questions about your quote. Then you've got 2 options to go with. You've got the supply only and the fully fitted. Supply only, you give us all the measurements and we supply the door pre-hung in its frame, ready to be installed. The fully fitted option, we take a small deposit of £60, come to your property, do a complete home survey, then manufacture the door to them measurements with our own fitting team, which is available nationwide. The lead times on the 2 processes, supply only is around 10 working days at the moment, fully fitted is around 5 weeks. If you have any questions around getting a quote, do feel to drop us an email or give us a ring. So that's the Door Stop doors in a nutshell. I hope this video comes across as showing how really truly superb product this is. We've been selling these doors now for around 12 years, so yeah, really good doors. If you have any questions about the Door Stop door or any of the range of doors that we do, please feel free to get in contact either by telephone or email, and look out for more videos on the different products that we do coming soon.